Starting task.
Good day, I'm TerraMow, your trusted buddy in easy lawn care. Let's transform your yard, one precise mow at a time. I'm super easy to use. One-step setup, one-click mow. No wiring, no manual lawn mapping, no RTK, and also no signal issue. TerraVision is my eye. Using 3 automotive-grade cameras, TerraVision sees and categorizes 3D objects in real time. Seeing is believing. With this remarkable vision, I can build a mental map of my surroundings, see lawn boundaries, pinpoint my location, and effortlessly navigate around obstacles. Just like a human. Equipped with an auto defogger and an LED light, TerraVision's capable of flexibly adapting to various outdoor environments. My mowing in parallel paths ensures best efficiency and precision. I have 3 working modes for meeting various mowing needs. To instantly mowing this lawn? No worries. Just one click to start spot mode. An app is ready for easy control. You can adjust the cutting height easily. Set a tailored mowing plan that best suits your needs and leave the rest to me. Define multi-zones and no-go zones with customized settings. Get alarmed by anti-theft tracking to ensure safety. Also, clean is easy. This is me, your lawn's best friend, TerraMow, the ultimate wire-free AI vision robot mower.